So here is the Slopehill hair dryer. Comes in this plastic bag. And then this little sleeve pops off. And you've got salon grade hair dryer. Oh, pretty. So here's the diffuser head. Straight head. Another straight head. And then this guy. So like that. Ooh. Fancy. Oh, interesting. Long pink cord. It's very pink. Cool. So it has 3 fans, 3 temperatures, and turning on and off. It's kind of hefty for what it is, but it's a little guy, so he's controllable. Does not have a turning end, but this is like a silicone grippy thing. Looks like, ooh, ooh. Oh my gosh, that freaked me out. There's a magnet in this. Look. Oh, wow. Oh, that's so interesting. Wow. Okay, so like I've encountered some hair dryers before. This is so cool that it's got that magnet in the front. Oh, like, wow, that's so cool. That's so cool. Okay, so I'll be test driving this guy out. This is so cool. I like that it has those. Just like, come on, see that? All I had to do was just push it down. You could have all your heads like a little apparatus thing. Be all pro. Maybe like, yeah, which one am I getting out today? Go for it. You know what I mean? So yeah, so this guy has a lot of rose gold in it. I'm surprised that these are gray for this. I would expect them to be like pink or black or something, but yeah, super cute. A little hefty here, but it's not too bad. Like, I can still move around because I feel like I have more control over it because it's small. But, yeah, pretty cool. So, yeah, there you go.